I start my experience with the industry because I was confronted with a practical problem with the growers. I am an agronomist, so I was asked to solve a problem with the disease. However, to solve a problem with the disease needs a tool. Commonly they are pesticides, and at that time we wanted to develop something biological. So the first challenge was to find the right industrial partner to develop such an idea, and since it was very innovative at that time, the main challenge was to convince them that it was a practical idea that at the end would work. And so from my long experience I learned that even if something is very challenging and is very innovative, industry can find a potential business if they are presented with a practical project. So indeed my experience was on developing a microbial biofungicide, which was trichoderma, which is now a plant protection product used worldwide. When you start working with companies and you are a scientist, you have to switch your let's say, way of thinking. So as a scientist, you want to know why there is a certain mechanism, you want to understand everything. If you work with companies, they want to have something practical, something feasible, something that is economically sustainable. So the main skills that you need to develop is how to be practical, how to find a solution at the end of the problem, and also you should become a problem solver, because once you go into practical things, problems arise constantly, and when you are in a company, problems should be solved. So I think that team working and problem solving are the most important skills to work with industrial partners. If you wish to start working with the industry, you have to go in places where industrial people are gathering, so you should avoid scientific congresses, and it's much better to go to exhibitions, to events in which products are presented, companies are there. And I would say that the best recommendation that I can give to students that want to get in contact with the industry is to print some business card, because in such a world, having your name and your affiliation in front on a piece of paper is much more important than many other things. Even if you decide to be a pure scientist, only working in academia, having contact with the industry is quite useful, because you can better focus on the relevant things for the market, for the consumers, for the farmers if you work in agriculture. So having a contact with the real world, having a contact with the people that are trying to fulfill needs in the real world can help you in keeping on the subject. And in addition, your career can improve, because you can direct your research into concrete things that can be patent and can also give you some money back if the patent is successful.